everybody, it's Cameron with Surfboards.com, just back with a little Tuesday sneak peek for you. Monday was a little busy for us, so I'm a little late on the video. I just wanted to show you what we had going this week. Order volume is pretty good. I'll give you guys a peek at the shipping warehouse over there, but we are a bit buried back in our end of things again. So just give you an idea of what's coming this week. We got Hunter. All right, looks like a bunch of rip curl. So let's see, rip curl. Looks like ladies board shorts up front. So some really nice colorful rip curl ladies board shorts. Underneath those, some men's walk shorts. Lots of sandals over here. We have the Volcom sandals from last week. This is a bit of a mess because we're getting through returns right now. But let's see, got looks like some Volcom hats, some Volcom board shorts, and then a whole bunch of Volcom sandals. Got the blue recliners, the black camo recliners, and what else do we got? Looks like more Volcom walk shorts. So just giving you guys a quick idea of what's coming up, what to keep an eye out for. We'll show you some of it as we go. Looks like some more Sanuk shoes and sandals and some more DC gear. Shipping stuff is rolling out for the day. You can see lots of shoes going out, lots of shorts, backpacks, even a bunch of hats over there if we reach a little bit. So that is just kind of a quick update for you for this week. I will make a few videos showing you guys the new stuff going up. And as always, you can check out Surfboards.com for any of the newest spring and summer stuff. It'll be up by the end of the week. Have a good day, everyone.